Hi, this is just a quick tip video. I'm going to show you how to use the console to do a bit of benchmarking of your script so you can test how quickly parts of your project are running. So I've got a blank project here. I'm just going to write a loop and we're just going to benchmark this loop basically, but you could use this with any function. So let's just write a for loop and we'll have it go up to 10,000 for now. And we need something for it to do. I don't want it to just output to the console because that's going to get messy. So I'm going to create a little variable. We'll call it C. We'll set it to 0. And we're just going to have our loop incrementing this C variable. And if I hit F5, nothing interesting is going to happen. But what we can do to see how long this loop takes to run is we can start the timer, the console timer, before the for loop and then stop it afterwards, and then we'll get a result of how long the bit in between, in this case our loop, took to complete. And it's really easy. You just type console.start and then after the thing you want to benchmark you type console.stop. And now if I hit F5, let's just clear out this console. If I hit F5 we'll see a benchmark result which is approximately 4 milliseconds that it took to run this loop. If I hit F5 a few more times, we can kind of get an average of how long it takes. So we're seeing there, so between 6 seconds is the max there, 6 milliseconds is the max there, 3 milliseconds is the lowest, so we're roughly around 5 milliseconds for this loop. Now if I increase this number, so we're going up to 10,000 here, if I increase that, add another 0, so now we're going up to 100,000. And let's run it again. We see this time it took 44 milliseconds. If I had another 0. So that time it took 258 milliseconds and there was a noticeable delay between me pressing F5 and actually showing up down here. If I click compile, you'll see that delay as well. And let's add another 0 and do that again. There we go, that was really long that time. We're over 2 seconds there for that loop. So this is just a really simple way to benchmark your code, and you can use it to try and improve the efficiency of your code. So if you do this test on a block of code and find it's taking quite a while to execute that code, then you know that's a good candidate to go in there and look and see if you can make it more efficient and see if it takes less time. Alright, I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching and have a good day.